Eat, guys. Daming kambing.
Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
Hi guys! Welcome back to I Am Prince channel. Look! For today's video, we are here at Jaffa Port. Ayan, ang ganda dito guys. Free lang ang entrance. Dito ay sa Ras Al Khaimah, boundary na ata to ng ano, ng Oman tsaka UAE. Yan, yung bundok na yan. So let's explore. Let's go.
Look at this goat leg, Prince. This goat leg, ay, open it.
We're gonna go up at the Jaffa Port. The Jaffa Port. Ay. Daya Port. Hi. Ito siguro yung boundary na ng Oman. How's the experience? Nasa kalagitnaan kami ng 40 degrees Celsius. Let's take picture. Ay, sa taas na. Good na. Ganda nung paggawa nila ng fence. Ganda nung paggawa nila ng pawis. Hi! Hi! Ganda. Worth it, guys. Daming kambing! Ang daming kambing dun. Halos lahat ng kahoy may kambing dun. Kambing ang alaga nila dito. Overlooking! Doon kami pupunta. Konti na lang. Dami-daming tissue. Di nakapagdala ng tissue. Oh my gosh. Ang ganda. Oh. Hi! Look at my pawis! Pawis. Oh my God, thank you Lord. Dito na tayo. Malamig dyan? Ang ganda. Hindi na yun naakyat pag inutusan. Ha? Where? Blow away?
Yeah.
What's inside?
Nothing. Hollow.
Oh, it's a rest house. Ooh, we can write our names.
And yeah!
Look at this. There's a stairs going to the attic.
Yeah, but we're not allowed to.
Yeah, of course. Only for the
Look,
stone.
it's modern, see? Power line.
Look.
Did you know that here in the fort, we only use static energy and solar energy?
Really?
Yeah.
We're going back now. Thank you so much guys for watching. Make sure to bring water if you will come. Kasi sa amin, iniwan namin sa baba. Iniwan namin sa car ang aming tubig. So, please do like and share this video. And please subscribe. Bye! Share also. Bye guys!